there and there. They've both got two hidden ponytails inside, and this is what's going to be the magic. That is the finished result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you think about it, because I absolutely love it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for being here. So on today's video, we're going to be doing the hidden ponytail wolf cut. I've got two hidden ponytails in this mannequin. I'll show you the sectioning pattern, break it right down for you. But what this is going to give us, the opportunity to really customize it for you. The 3-minute wolf cut has just gone through 1 million views. My 5-minute wolf cut has just gone through 4.5 million views. So I thought I'd bring you something a bit different for 2023. So this is the hidden ponytail wolf cut. Now, this is something which is, you won't have seen this before. So if anybody copies this, Brad Mondo, anybody copies this on the internet, you know the first person to do this is me. The hidden ponytail wolf cut method, and I'll bring it to you right now. Sectioning all done. It looks like we've got two ponytails, but there's a secret in here. What we want to do is we want to be bringing this first ponytail out to here, and you can only see two ponies. There you go. It looks like two ponytails. It looks like the standard version. This is the uprated version. So I'm going to bring this first ponytail, front ponytail, out straight to here. I'm going to get a guide. So let's go on the chin. Let's use the chin as our first guide. So there we go. There. I'm going to pull it straight out from the head. I'm going to cut this off. Just like that. So it's a straight line across there. So you can see there. Now we want to soften it. And we know we're going to be maintaining the length as we always do. We've over-directed up to here, over-directed to here, over-directed to the front. We know that front and top piece is going to be shorter because that's the piece of hair that's travelled the least. So let's soften off all that in there to give us a nice dishevelled, textured perimeter. This is what's going to be framing the face, like that. So our first ponytail is there. Second ponytail from here, pull up to the ceiling, straight up. We're going to do a blunt cut straight across because we do want wolf cuts to be that sort of blunt and really sort of hard textured haircuts. The butterfly haircut, like I say, is a lot softer. So when it comes to how much length to cut off, it's all relative to your hair length. If your hair is to the floor, you won't be cutting to there. You won't be cutting a comb's length off basically because your hair, you'll lose so much length. So all relative to how long your hair is. I'm going to take off that comb's length. I know again, that hair is over directed all the way up to here. So this point here is going to fall all the way down and be around about there. So I just find that so satisfying. That chop, chop, chop. And there was someone who said to me as well, you're a hairdresser, we don't call it chop, we call it cut. Okay, cut, cut, cut. Right, now there's a hidden ponytail in the back here as well. So first of all, what we're going to do, let's just clear that up. We're just going to point cut into there. Again, we want lots of softness through there. Two ponytails. Let's take our first ponytail. Oh, let's take our first ponytail out. I nearly did it there, so you can see it exposed. There is all of our shape, symmetrical shape all the way through that wolf cut at the front. And there's our first hidden ponytail. On the back, let's take out the ponytail, drop it, there's our second ponytail. And again, look at that angle that it's given us. So we're connecting that through there. By elevating the hair, we've maintained all of that length. Now what this gives us the ability to do is to customise the fringe. A lot of you have asked me, what about if we wanted to have like a longer fringe, a shorter fringe? This is it. This is where we can really customise it. that is a longer fringe. But if we just want to customize that slightly, that little bit more, we could just point cut into there, make it a little bit softer than what's happening through here, or we can go shorter, and I'm going to go shorter. So there's our ponytail. I'm going to take this to the bridge of the nose, so just there. I'm going to cut straight across, again really soften, and because all that hair is how it's pulled into the middle, we're going to get those nice sort of face framing looks from it. But we really want to make sure that we are really softening this off today. I want a really nice soft fringe there, and just so you can see how soft that is. Right, let's go to the back. And this is where a lot of people said, oh, I wanted shorter layers at the back. We can do it. So when we cut the first two ponytails, we actually took length off of here. So that would be originally what would be there. But now we can go shorter with these layers. So we don't want to go really disconnected because it would look a little bit odd. But let's lose, what's that, 2 inches, 1.5 inches? Let's cut that straight across. And let's really have some volume and some disconnection in that back. So again, that's all nicely blunt cut. Look how straight that is, like a laser. Now, I'm just going to put my fingers a little bit lower, open that hair up, and I'm going to really deeply point cut to my fingers. And one thing people always ask is, like, how don't you cut yourself? Reason you don't cut yourself when you are point cutting is because you don't cut when you go in, you cut when you come out. So when you go in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and then as you come out, you cut, 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 cut. And that's how hairdressers don't cut themselves. So look at all that, really loosened all of that off. Let's take that out, shake that. Oh my God. So cool. So now we can add height to it. We've got a lot more texture in there. Take out the front. This is the bit you want to see. I learnt this one, and this was, I think it was Karate Kid. Mr. Miyagi. You know what he did? Something like that. So obviously this mannequin was straight out of the bag. I'm going to be doing a shorter haircut on this for a course coming up, but I thought, why not in between? Let's get a facing to you. Let's just do like a really cool new way to do a wolf cut. And if you want to do a salon version of that, all you would do is section it exactly the same. So you would be pulling that up to here. That would be sectioned out separately. Same with here. The perimeter would be pulled up, cut, and there'd be a section on that back that was sectioned out separately, and then that's how we would put those layers in. But look at this. Look how this just frames that face, those pieces, that shortness in there, the fullness that falls there. You've got these pieces that are surrounding the face, coming around like that. And that's it. Wolf cut for 2023, hidden ponytail method. So there we go, guys. That is the finished result. That is it diffused. I'll pop it in now. I've just been up into the salon. I've just diffused it with the Dyson hairdryer. The diffuser on the Dyson hairdryer is so soft. It doesn't move the hair at all. Allows it to dry, gives it a beautiful volume. So yeah, that is the finished result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know what you think about it because I absolutely love it. Really cool technique, something I just thought up. And if you've enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. Smash the like button. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. But before I go, you all want to see the back. There is the back. All that beautiful texture that's in there. That second ponytail allowed us to get that movement in that top. Still keeping the weight and everything down there because that was elevated up. But yeah, that is it. That is the finished result. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video.